Given.
Great. So this is daily trigger.
For new record only need object. Need someone says for inquiry and put the same into description. So before answer, okay, okay, okay. And this value in the line 7, phone inquiry.
Mm.
So this is written the same way in the Salesforce.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, okay. And you have tested, it is working
yeah.
fine.
I tested. It's working. Yeah.
Okay, okay, great.
This is another one.
Contact object, if email and phone is not blank, then the department is finance. For new and existing. Uh, so, okay, for new and existing, okay. Email is not blank, okay. You have not put it the condition for phone. You check the condition of email, but for phone, you have not.
Oh, I forgot.
Mhm.
So if phone and email, so what do how do I think I didn't know how to include email and phone together.
Okay, at line number 8, after this null,
Yeah.
after null,
Mm-hmm.
put a and operator.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, one more time. And
Two
operator,
ends.
yes, it is actually the and operator uses two ands. So we say and operator.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and bracket close. Okay. Hmm. Now test your code.
So if email and phone not null, this is a contact. This is a contact. This is for new and existing. Okay, so email not null, co-phone is not null, then copy, put the department as finance. I'm gonna change the department to be something else. Oh, it's forcing it because because the email and the phone are not blank. But if I'm gonna put like this and I change it to be technology, it will, yeah. If I put a value here for the number, it will switch to finance.
So your code is working fine.
Mm-hmm. Yep. This is another homework.
Hmm. Okay. Trigger. Okay. And the another one.
Yep.
If we have the existing record where stages close all and put same into description. Okay. Okay. So okay, that means that you have started writing your code. You have understood the logic.
Mm-hmm.
So that's good actually.
Yeah, so I had to open your notes in order for me to be able to do this. Like that's how I like I read. You remember the notes you put for me before about like insert, update, delete. I would like you when you want to give me homework to give me for after to be able to see how do I reach another object as
Yes,
well.
yes. Yeah. Actually, see, we are working on a a basic level of the before. So first,
Yeah.
cover the
Oh, is that more complicated?
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the reason we will go step by step. So first, we will
Yeah.
cover the scenarios of of the before, the
Mm-hmm.
advanced level, and then we will be going for the after.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. So now I will be combining today the I mean two conditions, and based on the two conditions I needed two different results. For example, uh, write down the problem statement.
The requirement.
Yeah.
1 second. I'm just. Where's the notepad here? Do not delete new. Okay. Yeah. I just wanna just save it. Okay. 1 second.
And have you tried all the scenarios which you have discussed for the custom fields?
No, the cases one I didn't. I only created those ones. I want to make sure I'm all set in this to be able to do this. I'll do them tomorrow.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, so you're writing?
Yes. Okay. Yeah. 1 second. Yeah. Okay. I'm ready to write down.
Okay, so for new case, if origin is phone, then
Then what?
case priority should be high.
Okay.
Full stop. If updated and case origin is email, then priority should be low.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now write this trigger.
Now.
Yep.
Okay. So first, this is on the case object. New Apex. No, Apex class. This is new trigger on cases. Okay, so first, for a new case, if origin is phone, then case priority should be high. If up, so when you say for new case, yeah, if updated and case origin email, then priority should be okay. So first, it should be just 1 second. I want to open your notes for before it inserts and all this stuff because these are like my Bible. Okay. Okay, so 1 second. Why I'm not able to press enter here. And then the second, okay, so this is all set. And Angel, opening your notes. So yeah, so this one. So first, F trigger dot executing is executing, and so this is inserting, and we use only insert and trigger dot before and no, trigger dot is before and trigger dot as before. It should be here dot. Trigger dot is insert Okay. Open bracket, parentheses. This is the one for, okay. Actually, I can, I can use, okay, don't tell me anything. I want to try it. I can use if else.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, you have to.
Okay. Yeah. So here I can also have before update.
Exactly. Correct.
And here with the insert, I'm gonna have or trigger dot is update. Okay. So for new case if origin, for case C, trigger dot new, open parentheses, if, okay, let me check the cases first and see what the origin, how it's written. So if I go a case here, and I'll check the details and see the origin is called origin. If case, no, if C dot origin equal phone. Let's see how it's written the phone here. Code case. Yeah, phone capital P. If don't tell me anything. Okay, but just 1 second. If case dot
Take your time.
origin equal. Okay, so basically, for another parentheses, then case priority should be high. So if I check here, the priority is called priority. Then C dot priority equal, how is high written here? So I'm sure you're laughing now when I told you don't say anything. Okay, so just like this one, close bracket, else if else open bracket if updated in case origin is email if see, is it right now?
Yes.
Okay, okay, so let me check the origin one. The origin is on the origin. If origin c dot origin equal email, then have to open bracket and I see c dot priority equal low. Okay, so here, as you told me, I can check these. No, this should be ending here. I'm gonna save. So here I need to make sure this is ending. This has an ending, correct? This one, correct. This one, correct. This one, correct. So I'm gonna test it out. So if case dot if origin is phone, so here let's go for, so if for a new case, so if I go in here and I click cases, when I create a new case, test, and the new case and the origin is phone. so the priority is high. If updated in case origin is email, then it's low. Hey, I can't believe I did it. I'm becoming smart like my teacher.
But seriously, you have actually, understood the thing so well that you are writing your code of your own without anybody's help. I have seen that the people take time to understand even these triggers as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So another one.
I have a question.
Yeah.
How does it know, like when I use the update here, how does it know that it will it will not fire the insert on this one?
Hmm. So for this, a small change we have to make.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what is the change? Now, at line number 3.
Okay.
Okay. Go there at line number 3. Yes.
Yeah.
After is before, close this bracket.
Yeah. Close it.
Yeah. Okay. Now, copy trigger dot is insert, cut it from there.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now, just read your statement for new case. If origin is phone, okay, then priority should be high. So you have to put this at line number 8 after phone. Go there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bring your cursor in. No, at line number 8. 8. Yes. Bring your cursor inside the bracket.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put it the AND operator. Two times, and
Okay.
okay. Now, second statement is if updated and case origin is email, then priority should be low. So now go at line number 3 and cut trigger dot is update, and same
Okay.
way, yes, yes, put it after and operator, yes, and from the line number 3 remove this, yes. Okay, now your code will understand that okay, for the if we are inserting a new record and the origin is phone, then I have to put uh, priority as high. Else, if the we are updating the record and the origin is email, we have to put the priority low.
Okay. So this is the correct way of
Right,
writing it, right?
right.
Okay.
Now you test your code.
Okay. Yeah, so if I go to my code like, let's say, I'm gonna switch it for 4 now. Like it keep it low.
Yeah,
If
because
I change the priority for high and see
oh,
origin is email. No, I wanna test the origin. Where's the origin one?
yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the email here and
Hmm.
see. Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, now create a new case with the case origin as high. Sorry, case origin as phone. Keep
Priority
moving
high, yeah.
right?
High, yeah.
And again create a case with case origin as email.
Yeah.
No change in the priority. Priority is medium.
Yeah, yeah, then
That
10.
means your code is working fine now, and your code is understanding that this is for a new or this is for a updating the record, existing record.
Yep, it's clear. Like it's clear where do I need to add it?
Okay. Any doubt in this?
No, it's clear.
Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
write down a new problem statement
Okay, 1 second. Let me write it down this document. Yes. Okay, what? Mm-hmm.
for new account.
Okay.
If rating is hot,
If rating is what?
hot.
Hard.
Yeah. Put shipping address into billing address
Okay.
and billing address into description.
Okay, for new account. Okay. All right, so let me just check this.
After this,
Go.
we will start with our after update. Sorry, after triggers.
Yep, okay. So new Apex trigger. Okay. So I'm gonna copy it here. For new account, if rating is hard, put shipping into for new accounts. So you want it only before insert. You don't need before update or anything else. Let's click on account and see the rating here. I don't see a field called rating.
In account,
Yeah.
and we have the feed rating. Go to page layout.
Yeah, rating. Yeah, it's
Yes,
here.
we have. Uh,
Okay. Okay, so basically, so if trigger dot is executing and trigger dot is before and trigger dot is insert. Okay, so open parentheses for account ACC trigger dot new. We will have examples want to use that map and the old, right?
yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, so trigger. So this one would be like if new account, if rating is hard, put shipping address into billing and billing address into description. Okay, so if rating is hard, so let's check here. This is called rating. So if ACC dot for account dot ACC for account if ACC dot rating equal hard. Okay, so open parent if ACC equal hard, put shipping address into billing and billing address into description. Okay, so the billing address is like is not one field, it's connected, right?
Yes. So that's actually a trick. So try once, then I will tell you.
Yeah, so okay. I just want to check one thing in the fields. 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
I will try it myself. Don't say anything. 1 second.
Okay.
Address. Address. Okay, so um mm, 1 second. 1 second. This is field name, billing address field. Where is the shipping address here as well? 1 second. Shipping. Yep, it's here. So this is called data type. It's called shipping address. And this is billing address. It's called billing address, one word. So if I go back here, don't say anything. 1 second. ACC dot billing address. Is it correct like this or no?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, wait, don't say anything.
Okay.
Okay, wait. So if ACC dot state, correct?
No.
It's wrong?
Yeah. But you are very close.
ACC dot, mm, 1 second. If ACC dot billing state,
Yes.
billing,
Yes.
okay, ACC is dot billing street, one word, equal, if rating is hard, put shipping address into billing address. Let's put shipping address into billing address. So ACC. If rating is hard, put shipping address into billing address. So this one should be shipping, right? Shipping.
ACC billing street. Yeah.
Shipping equal ACC
But no.
dot.
Wait. But I'm saying that you have to put the shipping address into billing address.
Oh, so this is should be the billing. Yeah. Okay, 1 second. This is stocked. It's stocked. 1 second. What did I do? Okay. So if for trigger.new, if I if rating uh, like this, then I'll open parentheses and I will say ACC dot billing state equal ACC dot shipping state. Correct?
Yes.
ACC dot billing street equal ACC dot shipping street. ACC dot billing postal code equal ACC dot shipping postal code. ACC dot billing country equal ACC dot shipping country. This is this one, and then the billing and then the billing address into description. That's the fun part. If okay, I added on the same line here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Billing address into description. Description equal ACC dot billing billing country plus ACC dot, correct?
Yes.
Billing country, billing state plus ACC dot billing postal code plus ACC dot billing street. Okay, so and then this one, then close the bracket, this one, and then save. Let's see, what are we missing? Variable does not exist, billing description. Oh, I know it's for ACC dot description. Is there a field called description on the account? Cancel. I don't see description. Yes, there is, but it's capital D. Don't say anything. Wait. Okay, so extra. This one is extra. Save it. Okay, we'll test it now. Account.
Is the value hot in the rating?
There's what?
Value is hot.
Hard or heart?
Hot. Hot.
Where is
Check
this?
value of the rating.
Hot?
Hot.
Yeah. Okay, so let me go back here and just like hot. Okay. So let's see. This is only for new accounts. So we have to create a new account. If I go here and I did not this one, I created a test one. Oh no, I didn't put the rating. I have to. Okay, sorry, my bad. I'm gonna create a new one. Test one, and the rating. Where's the rating field? Oh, hot. Oh, I don't have. It's my bad. It's null because. Okay, back. Test 3. Hot. Put shipping address onto billing address. Okay. It's working.
Okay. Okay. Now try with the proper data like the billing address, like XYZ street something.
Why you don't trust this data? It's not good.
No,
We didn't add city there. That's why we didn't. The city didn't bring over. Testing street. I didn't add city. My trigger. That's fine. I'll keep this empty. Testing state. Testing postal code. Testing country. Okay. No, because I did an update.
yeah.
You tricked me. Okay. Okay. Test 4. It's hot. I just like testing street. Testing state. Testing postal code. Testing country and save. Fingers crossed. Yep, it's working.
Oh, okay. So that means that you are good in the before trigger, and now it's time to learn after trigger.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So
So those stuff that you told me about, like collection and whatsoever, do they use them also on trigger?
Yes, we are going to use.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay.
Now, I told you that I mean, what is it before trigger and after trigger, right?
Yes.
So,
After is the trigger is used to access fields that are set by the system and affect changes in another records.
right, right. So now write down one scenario.
Okay, writing. Yes, ready.
If accounts industry
Yep.
is update,
Is what?
if accounts industry,
Is updated.
yeah,
Okay.
put same in context
Contacts.
description.
Yeah. Okay.
Now you want to try first?
Yep, I will try.
Okay.
Okay, so where is it? New. It just like trigger. It's an account, but I'm gonna call it account contact. Is your wife like you in the IT industry or no?
Yeah, she likes. She's actually BTech in computer science,
Yeah.
and luckily she is a manager.
Yeah. Okay. No. So just for me. Okay. So going to back to my Bible. Okay. If trigger dot is executing and
Shall I help you?
trigger. What? No, don't. We are, don't. This is
Okay.
going to be after. So if account industry is updated, this is going to, no, don't say anything after update. It's correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Trigger dot is before, sorry, is after and trigger dot is update. So open parentheses for account dot acc equal trigger dot new. If account, it's called industry. If acc dot industry is updated. Interesting. This is very is updated. So okay, I have okay. Interesting. Is updated means, how do I put is changed here?
Okay. Just one trigger I will tell you. So I want to take this opportunity. Okay. Now, mm, okay, this is also fine. Now what we will doing is we are making we are going to make a small change at line number 7. Okay, because if account industry is updated, so we have to check the value, the new version of the value with the older version of the value. Okay, so you can write it this way at line number 7. Hello, hello.
I'm with you. What do you want me to write?
Yeah. So if acc.industry not equals to trigger dot trigger
Trigger
yeah dot old map dot get
dot what?
get get. Yeah, then start the brackets
Which brackets? This one?
after yes. No, this is a curly braces, simple brackets.
Yeah.
Yes. So and remove the space between the get and the bracket.
Yeah.
Yeah. ACC dot ID.
Yep.
Yeah. Now after the bracket, bring your cursor outside the bracket. Yeah. Dot.
After the bracket.
Yes. Dot.
Dot.
Yes. Industry.
Industry.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
interesting.
And let me tell you what is this line meaning. You remember the context variable where we discussed about the new map, old map.
Yes. You mentioned about the map. Oh, this is different than the map you mentioned for list set and
This is you remember the context variables
yes.
in that we have discussed about the new map, old map.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we are doing is, see, right now at line number 7, uh, as soon as the line number 5 will
So
exist.
this one is not equal or equal here should be.
No, I'm telling you, not equal.
Yeah.
I'm telling
Yeah.
you. At line number 5, what are you doing is you are taking the new version of a account out
Yeah.
from the trigger.new and you are storing this into ACC.
Okay.
Okay. Now remove this dot from account.acc from at line number 5. Line number 5.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Okay. So you're storing the new version of the account which you have received from trigger.new and you're storing it into ACC. Now you are comparing the new value of industry at line number 7 acc.industry. That means new value of industry you are comparing. You are fetching the new version of the account at line number 5 and then you are comparing the new version of the industry.
Okay.
Okay, just let me know acc.industry. What you are understanding with this?
So this is the field. It's not equal to the old version of the record.
No, I'm just asking acc.industry.
It's the field industry.
Right. So this will be the holding new version of the industry value,
Trigger. Yeah. Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now we are comparing with Oh, and
The
what
old.
old map? So old map holds the older version of the value.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are comparing with the older version of the account, and for this we will get the older version value in the old map. So, and to I told you to get the value, we use get, and to put the value in the map we use put. So we
Okay.
are getting the value from the old map, so that's the reason we are using get function.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
And acc.id will be the key. The map is a key value,
To the old records.
right?
Yep.
So with the key, then the particular field industry.
Yeah.
Okay. Any confusion in this?
Nope.
Okay. Now what will be your step 9?
So if put the same value in contact is updated, put the same value in contact description. So so if this one is changed, open parentheses, uh,
Okay.
contact description.
Let me tell you.
So when I say contact description, do I need to make contact like this, or I need to make an introduction for
No,
it like this one?
let me tell you. Let me. Now at line number 2.
Yeah.
Line number 2. Yeah. Give an enter.
Okay.
Okay. Now write down map
Map
ID. I mean,
ID.
wait. Not like this. Can I take the control?
Yeah, sure. Mhm.
So here I have created my map. Okay.
Okay.
Now what I'm doing is I will be using this map.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, why I'm using this map? I will be, sorry.
You are using here that collection.
Yes. Now let me tell you, and we will practice the same thing. First, imagination, and then we will write our code. So,
Mm-hmm.
see, the statement says if account industry is updated, put the same value into description. So ideally, what we will be doing is we will be checking that the account industry value has been changed or updated. Then we will be storing our account in a collection. Okay, and by that collection, we will be using. I mean, we'll be finding out the related context, right? With a query.
What is mapcon?
Mapcon is the name of the map.
Oh, name of the, it's not map contact, right?
No, you can okay, you have the notes where we have studied about the map, list set map.
Yeah.
Okay, open that.
I have it. One second. I'm opening it now. One second. Map. Yes, I have it here. Whatever. It's here.
Mm,
Yeah, map key value, name underscore of the map, new map key value. Okay.
yes, yes.
Yep, it's clear.
Okay. Now, uh, go back in.
So here we have map
Mhm.
ID account, and then we have the name of the map, and then map ID account. Correct. Yes.
Okay. Now, what we are going to do is uh, let's change the uh, name as well.
Can we give it then the same? Can we give it the same name as the trigger?
Trigger's name. Why?
Can the map name be the same? I'm just asking.
See, you can give the the trigger's name, but there will be a problem. The problem will
Mm-hmm.
be in your code. You might have to create the 2C map. So that is
Mm-hmm.
not possible to make a map, make 2C map with the same name. Secondly, I have not
Mm-hmm.
tried the creating the map with a trigger's name. But
Mm-hmm.
I think it will be a problem for sure.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Just asking. Yeah. Don't worry.
Okay. Okay. So now,
Mm-hmm.
okay. So now I have, if my condition is satisfied that okay, industry is updated, then I will be using put of a function, okay, in which I am putting the key. Key means account ID, and in value the whole account.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
clear?
Clear. So, okay, so map ID account, because our trigger was an account, you added map ID account equal new map ID account. For account ACC trigger dot new, if ACC industry trigger, what's the requirement here? So put the same value in contact description. Where do you highlight contact here?
We will be bringing the contact now after the after this by using the query SQL query.
Okay.
Just a minute. Okay, now it's look good. So now what you have done so far, you have by this trigger.new, you are storing the new version of the account in a ACC variable. Now, with the help of the ACC variable, you are comparing the new version of the accounts in the industry field, and
Mm-hmm.
if the condition is satisfied, then you are putting the account into a map. Okay. Now, hmm, now, do you remember the query, SQL query, in which we used to write this way? Uh,
So, yeah, the first one you told me, yes.
just a
Mm-hmm.
minute, let me tell you.
When do you, how it comes to your mind that we will be using SQL query?
I'm telling you. That's why I'm using the SQL query, sorry, the query editor to show you.
Yeah.
and we will give the account ID here in this. Uh, okay, so we once we will give the account ID here, it will fetch all the contacts which are associated to the contact. I mean account. Remember this?
Mm-mm.
Okay. So same
Select.
like
So why you are 1 second? I'm tell you where I'm confused. How it came to your mind that we need to use so-called query here?
see now we okay, just think about it. How you are going to what actually operation we are going to do? We are if the account industry is, we are updating, we want to put the data into the contact. Now how we will be able to get the contact through SQL query?
Mm-hmm.
There is no see. Okay, just think about the what are other ways to get the contacts associated to account. Do you have any other way?
No.
Okay, so we will be utilizing the same thing, SQL query.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I remember the so-called query.
Just let me now. I have some data inside the map AC. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
I'm using the function size to check if I have some data, at least one data in the map AC. If it is blank, then the line of code should not get execute or should not run,
Mm-hmm.
right? So that's why at line
Mm-hmm.
15 I'm using this map AC dot size greater than 0. I'm just checking whether I have some data inside the map or not. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
any confusion here?
Mm-mm.
Okay, now the we may have the number of contacts. I should say more than one contacts for an account, right?
Yeah.
So for this, we can only use a collection because we want to store large number of data.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Don't uh, don't get confused. I will explain you again. Okay. Now we will practice some more examples as well so that the confusion will be resolved. Now I'm using the same query which I have written in a query editor. I think Angel, I'm not able to control the screen.
Mm.
Can you release your control?
You're not able to what?
Able to control the screen.
I didn't touch my mouse. Yeah.
I'm telling you. Can you write it on my behalf?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Now copy the entire query which I have written in the query editor and paste it.
Here.
Yeah. Okay. Now remove this two commas here and give a colon.
Mm, what do you mean
Huh,
by
colon.
column? This one?
No, no, not this one. Let me try. Just a minute. This one. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Now you
Oh,
remember the set function of the map
this one is equal, right?
equal. Yes. So when
Mm-hmm.
we may get the value from the variable, we use equal colon.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now you remember the map function key set.
Which one?
Key set.
Key set.
Okay. Go to the notes.
Yeah. Key set. Yeah, we have one which is called key set between brackets.
Remember key sets, value,
Yeah.
size.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Okay. The same I am going to use here now.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what this actually see earlier we were putting in the query editor. What I was doing is I was giving the single account ID, and that was the ID which I have in my Salesforce UI, right?
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce record. Now, in the keys, with the help of key set, what I am doing is I am fetching all the keys. Keys means account ID, which is
Mm-hmm.
present inside map AC.
Okay.
Because see at line number 13, what is the key of my map?
Map dot put.
So what is the key here?
It's put.
No, 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 no. Let me tell you. So
Mm-hmm.
key is
Key is account dot ID.
right, and the value is
Account.
right. So with this, I am getting all the keys, all the
Okay.
keys I'm getting, and I'm using it in my SQL query to. It will be actually solving the same purpose. Let me tell you how.
Yeah.
Let's say whatever maybe the account ID is, I'm giving as a hard code record ID, account record ID here at line number 19.
Mm-hmm.
So with the account ID, all the contacts I will get, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in the map, in the line number 18, what I'm doing is I'm using key set function so that one, let's say my map have the 14 uh, account record. So
Mm-hmm.
the first account ID I will get through key set, and by this I will be getting all the contact related to that account.
Mm-hmm.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now again, I'm now I have the all the the context in a list, LST con. So I'm again checking whether I have the some data inside this or not. If I will not have even a single data, I do not want to perform the further step.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, now listen. I have the, let's say, for the 14 account, which is present inside the map AC, I have 24 contacts. So all the contacts are present in the LST con now, right? Right?
Uh,
Confusion?
no, it's clear.
Okay. So all the contacts, for example, they are in the number 24. So they will be present inside the LST con. Now I'm running a loop where from the the all the my 24 contacts one by one I will take it into a variable C at line 22. Okay, and here dot C dot description equal map AC dot get. Remember the function get?
Yeah.
Okay, now see, I will explain you. Don't worry.
Mm-hmm. Good night. Bye.
Just a minute, just a
Sorry,
minute,
this
just a
was
minute.
my son. Yeah. It's a complicated one.
No, no, it's not complicated. I will tell you. Don't worry. Can you click at line number 4?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, at line number 4. After this, after the line terminator. Yes. Give a enter
Mm-hmm.
and create this one more list as we have created at the line number 4, and give the something other name of the list.
Give it a name other than list.
Any other name.
Set.
No, set we will be using. I'm saying they create a list the same way, but we will give the another name of the list. No, 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 oh, no, no, no. This is not possible. Okay, let me tell you. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Just a minute. Just give me control. Give me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now, if you want to give your name, you can give,
Oh, I got what you mean. Okay. But why do you need another list? You already have one.
because I will be storing. Let me show you. Now first, okay, there's an error. What is the error we are getting? Expecting this, but was this. Okay, at line 9 for ACC. Oh, okay. Here, variable ACC variable for at line 14. ACC does not exist. Okay, and why it is not existing? Hmm. You know, line 14 does not exist. Why it is not existing? ACC is a different one. Oh, it's AAC I have written by mistake. So that's why. Let's see. Okay, now your code is saved. Now, first, let's unit test
Mm-hmm.
our code. The what exactly, whether our code is written correct or not. Then I will explain you. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Will you help me in this?
Yeah. If
Okay.
account is industry is updated, put the same value in contact description. Okay.
Right. Right.
So we'll go back here to the account. We are in account. If account industry, let's go to one that has contacts. Okay, so this is having contacts.
Okay.
If account industry is updated, so
One minute. Open all the contacts in a new tab.
okay, new tab, new tab. Okay, the description here,
Is blank. Okay.
this is blank.
Okay. Now let's see.
Apparel. Okay, so we change it to apparel. I'm gonna just refresh apparel.
It is coming. Okay.
That's nice. Okay, that's cool.
Okay. Now let's understand the code.
Okay, so yep.
Okay. Go. Okay. And one more thing. Always put this description on the top.
Okay,
Okay. Cut this entire statement.
okay, this one I'm cutting it. Cut.
And go at the line. Yeah. Yeah. Give enter.
Yeah.
Yes. No, no, no. You have pasted wrong direction. Uh, Control Z. Control Z.
Oh, I did Control Z. It's not doing anything.
Control Z. Yeah. Now.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Now you can paste it here. Okay.
Okay.
Now save the code.
All right. Say click as Control C. Okay.
Okay. Now go at the top.
All right.
Now see, our statement is saying if account industry is updated, right? Then put the same value inside contact description. So first thing is, okay, open a notepad.
It's here opened. Yeah.
Okay, now we are going to perform the same activity which we have did yesterday. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. So write down the line 1,
Write down what?
point 1.
Okay. Point 1.
Yes. if my account industry
industry
will be updated,
will be updated,
then line number 2, first I have to get all contacts associated with that account.
okay,
Now write on in bracket, for this I have to check account industry first, then using SOQL and not second, and account ID. Now give enter, have to fetch all contacts.
yeah,
Okay, point 3.
mm-hmm.
There might be,
There might be,
yeah,
there might be,
more than one contacts. So I have to use a collection to store all contacts and line 4, and uh, okay, have to assign each contact
okay,
description
mm-hmm.
with parent account
Okay,
industry field value. Okay,
okay,
now read this these lines and just imagine that as if you're reading, then something. Just imagine the Salesforce UI. That okay, this is happening. This is happening.
mm-hmm. This I have to check account history first, then using SQL and account ID to fetch all contacts. It's clear they may be one context. I have to use a collection into all. Yes, this is really clear. I have to assign each contact description with parent account industry field value. Yeah, it's very clear.
Clear? Now go to the code now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now at line number 9.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You have done right thing. That the trigger is dot is executing, then trigger dot is after, then update we have checked. Okay. Same we have the same what we generally do at line number 12 we are doing, that is trigger dot new, and from trigger dot new we are fetching the one by one account and we are storing into ACC
Mm-hmm.
variable.
Yeah.
Now, after this, in the ACC variable, we have one account, one entire account. That means all the values of the account, that is industry, description, billing state, shipping state, everything, right, is in the variable ACC. Now, out of all the entire account, that means all the fields, we have to just check the whether our industry is updating or not. So we are doing this at line number 15. Okay,
Okay.
how
Yeah.
we are doing it by using trigger.oldMap.
Okay.
Okay, so old map will store the older version of the account.
Record. Yeah.
Okay, and we use the get function, right,
Uh-huh.
in the map.
Yes.
Okay, so now once our condition is satisfied, okay, uh, the account industry is updated. So now we are storing this account into a map at line number 17. And for this,
Okay.
we have created a map at line number 6. Okay, so
Okay.
now we are storing it at line number 17, that is with a key value pair, and key is the ID, and the value is entire account object.
Okay.
Okay, now to make sure that the further my code will not execute if there is no value in the map map AC, right? I
Mm-hmm.
am using a size function at line number 21.
Okay.
Now, as we have written in the notes just now, we have to first check the you know the map ID. I mean the
Mm-hmm.
map which we have, and
Mm-hmm.
based on that, all associated context we have to fetch, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So select ID dot description dot account dot ID from contact, where
Mm-hmm.
account dot ID
Yeah.
equal colon we use to fetch the value from any variable. So the map AC is also the kind of the variable, though it's a collection, but it is storing the value temporarily. So it's a variable,
Mm-hmm.
right? And to get the key, that is our account ID, we use key set function.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we will store every the contact one by one into lstcon list.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now scroll down. So if we have some data inside the lstcon, then only our code should work. So now just imagine that, okay, now you have the all the context, and you have to assign the the account industry value inside the
Mm-hmm.
description of the contact,
Mm-hmm.
right? you have a you have a
Yeah.
you have a large number of the contacts, let's say 50, 55, 60, right? So one by one, again you have to use the for loop to assign the value to one to every contact description one by one.
Yeah.
So that's the reason. Again, now lstcon is a bucket from which you are taking one contact out and you are storing into the description. Just imagine you are into a factory, into a manufacturing factory, where a lot of the bottles are, or you can say the uh, uh, jam bottles
Mm-hmm.
is in manufacturing. only label you have to give. So we have, you know, the bucket where we have the those bottles filled with the jam is ready. So we will take one out. We will put a label of the company, and we will put the you know, the bottle ready with a label into a cartoon, so that, you know, that could be the, sent to a market. So same way what we are doing here, out of the LST cone we have the large number of the data. We are assigning the, you know, the one we are taking out the one contact and we are storing it into C variable. Then with the help of the C, which holds the contact from the LST cone, we are assigning the value into a description. Okay, now same map which we have created, okay, of the uh, account. Okay, now you remember the uh, child to parent, parent to child.
Yeah.
Okay, so how to refer the child to parent? I mean, if you want to see the parent, how you will be referring it?
By the ID.
Yes. So now what I'm doing is, whose parent? Okay, child will be, you know, the I can say will be identified with the parent. So here with the get function I am identifying the, just a minute, who's this? Hello Devesh. Devesh, good morning भाई. नहीं चेंज नहीं किया है, अभी मैं मीटिंग में हूँ, 2 मिनट दे दो बस मुझे ना. ठीक ठीक. So with the I mean, we have the value of the account in a map AC. So to us to find out that for this child, for this contact, who is the parent, I'm using c.account.id.
Yes.
And by this I'm getting the accounts industry as well, and I'm storing this now new updated angel
Yeah.
in, sorry, the new contact into a list that is angel. Okay.
Yep, it's clear. Yeah.
Yeah, and at line 32 I am using a DML, data manipulation language, to update my all the contacts present in a list angel.
Okay.
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 Okay,
I
now
need to review this very properly.
yes, now do one thing. You have this code saved, right? Make it blank, write down once again with the comment statements that at this particular line of code what you are doing. Okay, if again you will have any problem, we will discuss it.
Okay. Yeah, we'll discuss tomorrow.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah. No. So I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you. Take care.
You're welcome. Bye. Good night.
Okay. Bye. Bye.